All your A tools are running slower than ever. Want to know why? Running multiple A applications simultaneously can overload your Linux kernel, causing crashes and performance issues. Here's how to fix it. A applications demand massive CPU, GPU, and memory resources. When you run multiple tools, ChatGPT integrations, image generators, automation scripts, your kernel struggles managing resource allocation. This causes bottlenecks, lag, and system crashes. Understanding this helps you avoid costly downtime and maintain productivity. Use top, GPU's RAM consumption, and GPU minute real-time resource usage. Check CPU threads, RAM consumption, and GPU memory. Most A tools need 4 GB RAM minimum. If usage exceeds 85%, you're hitting limits. Track which applications consume most resources. Implement process prioritization using nice and ionis commands. Use container solutions like Docker to isolate applications. Upgrade RAM if budget allows, it's often the cheapest fix. Enable swap memory as backup. Schedule intensive tasks during off-peak hours. These changes immediately stabilize performance. Batch process tasks instead of running tools simultaneously. Use lightweight I alternatives for less critical work. Configure environment variables to limit resource usage per tool, monitor regularly with automation scripts. Small adjustments compound into significant stability gains, keeping your creative workflow uninterrupted. Master A tool optimization. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment telling us which A tools you struggle with most. I'll have a comment telling